Take me back to them old days when I was young and I ain't have a worry. Rip bubble coat, but now my jaw furry. On my way to the bricks, I can't talk, I'm in a hurry. Swag different, going crazy, freestyling like little baby. Still be hooping at the top.
So guys, we do got a angry neighbor. So I just want to let you guys see the before and the after. What we're gonna do is be turning this into. I just want to say I'm so sorry, guys, about them dogs in the background. I promise you, I thought about doing that to them, but I didn't. So I just please ignore. I'm sorry. Pergola. Is that how you say it? Pergola? So when we look at this deck, we see we're gonna build the pergola off of the frame of the deck. But the thing is, this is wiggly, you see? So it wouldn't be a good idea to build the pergola off of this. So what we're gonna do is put the beams for the pergola into the ground and anchor into cement. So that way, and then it's gonna be reinforced at the top. So that way this is gonna shake way less, almost not at all. So I want you guys to see the before and the after. I'm gonna show you guys up here so you guys can see everything. They butchered this joint. That's why they call me, man. You know what's going on, man. Stop playing. The solution is in its truest form. So I'm just gonna go ahead and reuse those railings, guys. I'm just gonna remove those 4x4s, and the new 4x4s are gonna be anchored into the cement and bolted into the deck. And they're gonna go right there. Yes, sir. Already leveled it out. Plumbed it in all directions. Here we go, guys. So now we're gonna put some screws in there, going on the side at the top just to hold it. And then we're gonna pour the cement. We're gonna add the cement, and then we're gonna add 2 bolts.
Take me back to them old days when I was young and I ain't have a worry. Rip bubble coat, but now my jaw furry. On my way to the bricks, I can't talk, I'm in a hurry. Swag different, going crazy, freestyling like little baby. Still be in a minute, and I ain't gonna let nobody stop me till this side to be finished. I'm hard by the young, you can hear me stepping dub B to the death. Ask me if I'm right. What you question, I guess, 'cause I'm rocking guess. It's keeping you guessing.
All right, guys, so if y'all pay attention, I'm going to show y'all just what I'm doing. So what I did, let me move my hand out the way. So what I did, guys, was I clamped it, and then I found the level point. That's where I'm going to cut it. I don't have to do not. Look, now the devil send the train, but I don't got to do notch as if I was building a deck, because this isn't like supporting that much weight, just the weight of the joist. But here we go. So now we just mark a line right there, and that's where we cut, and we're gonna do this all the way around. Then we're gonna put the top on. You guys can see they're cut now, and I can't even help but to get it perfect. Look at that view. That's how you know God is real. But I can't even help but get it perfect. All right, guys, there it goes. Everything's where it's gonna be. It's time to stack the 2x10s. I'm gonna put some on the right hand side and then the left hand side. And I'm just gonna show y'all what's next. And I'm gonna bolt them. They don't have to be notched out because it's not supporting that much weight. You only gotta notch it when it's gonna be supporting a lot of weight. This is a 8x8. It doesn't need to be notched.
I guess, 'cause I'm rocking guess, it's keeping you guessing. Yeah, let's talk professions. And don't ask me if I'm scared, don't. And don't ask me if I'm ready to die, don't. 'Cause for my dogs, I will. For my dogs, I'm gonna slide. For my dogs, I'm posted all day outside. Yeah.
So you guys, look, when you build them by yourself, you just use a screw and a clamp to hold it exactly where you need it to go. I'm giving y'all free game, man. This is how you do it, guys. But you go ahead and put a screw, set it up in there, and then you clamp it. So we're gonna go ahead and get this screwed in, and we're gonna secure that with bolts. We got this right here, screwed up, guys, and clamped. We're gonna bolt it. So we're gonna do the same thing like we did to the bottom.
guess is keeping you guessing. For real, gotta keep these people every once in a while I wake up like, man, they got my dog in the gym.
All right, guys, so now we're gonna cut in between the spacers that go this way, and it's gonna add to the integrity and the stability of the pergola and give it a nice checkered board look at the top. But it's definitely gonna stop these joists from shifting this way. You can just run some on the top like some people do, because it's easier that way, but this looks better in my opinion. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna measure the same distance from this side and from that side. Put the X, boom, boom, look at the train. Look at the train. X, X, as you see, it's right here. This is where we want it, right? And we're gonna do the same thing over there. Remember, the X goes on the outside of the line. And then after you do that, guys, set a straight edge, and then we're gonna run a block. This is 12-inch spacing, a block from here to here. Then you go ahead and you put your speed square, right? Just like that. And now take a guess what you do. You get your line and you go boom, because it's touching against the edge of this speed square. Excuse me, guys, I didn't mean speed square, I meant straight edge. I'm sorry about that, I'm sorry. And then you do the same thing. Once you get that side, you take this right here, same thing, and so on. So we're gonna do this. Oh, look, y'all would have loved to see me fall. Ain't that something? How people will love and hate you at the same time. So then we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing here. I already got this piece. I'm gonna cut the 12 out of those 2x6s over there, then right here. Then boom, after we're done, we're gonna finish up this deck and get it looking better than it was before, guys. So stay tuned. Thank you. I don't be making these type of remarks because I'm a God-fearing man, but yes, Lord, look at that. Ain't even done yet, but look at that. Ain't even done yet, but look at that. I just want to show y'all this because you got to add your braces. This is going to make it way stronger. Don't forget to add your braces. They could be whatever size you want. Don't even worry about the angle, guys. Eyeball it for the first cut, and then for the second cut, put up a straight edge, make a line, and that's your angle. It's really that easy. Yes, Lord. So what I'm doing now is I'm just assembling the poles for the curtains for the pergola. Some high quality ones off of Amazon. All right, guys, here we go. It looks really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a full scoop, just so you guys can get the gist of what's going on here. Client is extremely happy. This is what we do all day, guys. Custom pergola. This thing is built to perfection. Very strong. Very elegant. Beautiful. So if we just take a step, I'm gonna show you guys how I built it. I'm gonna show you guys the serene feel. So imagine be chilling out here with your boo, drinking some cognac, trying not to argue. Talking about God.
Stepping dub B to the death is what I'm repping. You ask me if I'm riding, like how would you question? I guess cause I'm rocking guess is keeping you guessing. Yeah, now let's talk professions. And don't ask me if I'm scared, don't. And don't ask me if I'm ready to die, don't. Cause for my dogs, I will. For my dogs, I'm gonna slide. For my dogs, I'm posted all day outside. Yeah.
I know you guys was probably wondering where I was at, but I'm back now. Stay tuned.
You can tell your boy that I ain't hurt, and you can tell me I ain't get it.